In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parse JSON data in Microsoft Copilot Studio. So your chatbot can easily read and use information from external sources. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot Studio, choose the bot you want to work with, and go to the topics page. This is where you manage the conversation flows that control how your bot responds. So it's the right place to set up JSON parsing. Next, create a new custom topic or open an existing topic where you want to process your JSON data. If you already have a topic handling information from another system or service, you can simply add this logic there. Otherwise, a new topic works perfectly for testing and setup. Once you're inside the topic, click the plus icon just below your trigger phrase to add a new node to the canvas. This is how you insert a new action into the conversation flow. From there, hover over variable management and choose the parse value action. This action is designed to take raw data, like a JSON string, and convert it into something Copilot Studio can understand and work with more easily. Now click the value to parse field and select the variable that contains your raw JSON string. This is important because the parser needs the original JSON text before it can extract any fields from it. After that, click the data type field, choose from sample data, and paste in a sample of your JSON text. By using sample data, Copilot Studio can examine the structure of the JSON and understand what fields are available. Then click confirm. Copilot Studio will automatically generate the schema and recognize the data fields for you. This saves time and helps reduce errors, especially if your JSON includes multiple properties or nested values. Next, look at the Save As section and give the new variable a clear name. This variable will store your parsed JSON object, so using a simple descriptive name will make it easier to reference later in your topic. To display the parsed information, add a send a message node. In the message, type your variable name followed by a dot and the field name you want to show. This lets you access specific values from the parsed JSON and present them directly to the user in the conversation. Finally, save your topic and test it in the conversation preview panel. This step helps you confirm that the JSON is being parsed correctly and that the right values are appearing in your bot's responses. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to handle JSON data in your Copilot Studio projects.